Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another interesting episode on your favorite Little's Law YouTube channel. So, today in this video, we are going to see about how to deal with a regular expression. In fact, this is one of the questions that's been asked in our WhatsApp channel, and this exactly is not the exact one. There is in between there is a token or a web API token in the middle of the pipe symbols. So I will tell you how to solve this because this question or this challenge you might face in your work, day-to-day work, or even this you can face even in your interview. So this is in fact even it could come as one of your scripting challenges, and the interviewer might ask you, what will you do if you get two pipe symbols as your left boundary and as your right boundary, and how will you solve that? So I will explain you how to do that, and like I told you, like this will help you in even your day-to-day work and also in your uh, interview. So please do watch the entire video. And before we move on to this video, this is me, Asan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to a Little Sai YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and consider joining my team, joining my channel. It's just less than 29 rupees per month, which is less than a price of a coffee and or a tea or even a snack, your daily snack. And you're just going to pay 29 for a lot of knowledge, a ton of knowledge, which you're going to get, and you get a lot of perks as well. Going forward, I'm going to increase a lot of perks to the joinees, to the members of our YouTube channel. And yeah, so now let's move on to the video. So as I told you in the today evening, so yeah, again I forgot to tell you, so you can even join my WhatsApp channel where myself and I have like a lot of other uh, very experienced performance testers are there to help you. So you can ask your questions, you can help others, you can get help from others. It's like a kind of a team, a league of performance testers. So you can join us. You're always welcome to our team anytime. And yeah, so let's come back to the objective of this video. So here we have got two pipe symbols, and then I have got a value in the middle, and then another two pipe symbols at the end. And here the question here that came to us is like how to solve this. I just want to extract the value in the middle. So how to extract it? So firstly, before we move on to see the extraction, let me explain you what is this value is all about. The extracting the pipe symbol basically. So we can use regular expressions to capture and manipulate data from the responses to match the symbol, the pipe symbol. Uh, So mainly we call this a symbol as a vertical bar, or we can even call it as pipe in the computing context. So this is mainly used in Unix operating systems where it is used to chain commands together. But in this example, like we have this in the in as part of the response, so we're going to correlate it. So to match the symbol, the pipe symbol, we need to escape it with a backslash. So backslash is something like this one. So this is a backslash. So we have to escape the pipe symbol with the backslash, because the vertical bar, the pipe symbol, has a special meaning in regular expression because it acts as an OR operator. So we know, right, the AND operator and the OR operator. So this pipe symbol it has a meaning of a OR operator. So we need to escape the value using a backslash. So what we have to do is we have to use the backslash, and then we have to add the pipe symbol, and then the group name, yeah, it's as usual. So we have to use $1 as the group, and then if you want to pick the random value, you can choose 0, or if you want to pick the first value, you can choose 1. So now let me take you through the full expression. So what we are going to do is I'm going to add a the backslash, and then the pipe symbol. So now if you see, we have already got the value, that is the first pipe symbol. I was able to find it, and then I'm going to add another pipes, the backslash, and then another pipe symbol. And now I've got the first set of values, and we all know there is a universal way of getting the values, which is bracket dot star question mark and then the bracket. So now if you see, we have got the capturing group. So we have got the left boundary on the left side, which is escape character, and then the pipe symbol, and then another escape character, and then the pipe symbol, and then in the middle we have the dot star question mark, which is we are fetching the value, which whatever comes in between the pipe symbols, we are going to fetch it out, right? So here you can see this lazy. So the dot, it matches any characters except line breaks. So in case if you have any line breaks, you can avoid the dots, so that will fetch multiple lines. And then if you have any quantifiers, for example, like you can match zero or you can match any other preceding tokens. And the lazy thing, yeah, the question mark, it's again a way to signify the lazy part. So it makes the preceding quantifier lazy because it can match as few characters as possible. And then finally, let's escape it with the another backslash, pipe symbol, backslash, and pipe symbol. And now if you see, this has selected the entire value, the entire one, the value that's in the group one. So now if you match, so if you see, we have got one match, and the match is the value that's the 324 value. And yep, so this is how you can crack this way of regular expression. And yeah, so far we solved the very first challenge, and now I'll take you to another one, another it's again another similar regular expression thing. So let me type the context here. I think I already have that context with me. Yeah, so this is the value which I'm going to correlate. So I have to extract the value in between the h3 and the slash h3. So let's use the regular one, the h3. So I have selected the bracket h3 in as my left boundary, and then our regular one, so dots dollar question mark, and then I'm going to add the end h3. So if you see the value we have like fetched out all the values, but if you see the value that the backslash, sorry, the unescaped, the forward slash, sorry, the forward slash needs to be escaped. So how can we escape the value? So like you see the previous example, the pipe symbol. So we did use a escape character. So same way for this the forward slash, we need to use the backslash as the escape character. So once you add this escape character, you can see the error has been removed. So if you just see again, so if you see there is a error symbol, but when you use a backslash, automatically that error symbol has removed, and then we have got this entire value that's been selected. So this is again another way of example, like, trying different values, because we all might get this scenarios, like we might get a pipe symbol or we might get a forward slash, a backslash. So we just need to try all these, and then we have to get rid of all these issues to find the irregular expression thing. Yeah, so this is another quick follow-up. So previously we used the forward slash, and now in this example, what if you have a backslash? You don't expect only the forward slash, or only you don't expect the the pipe symbol. So what if you, in case if you expect a backslash, so how will you escape it? So again, we have a similar thing, a very similar one. In fact, I would say the same thing. So just go back to the expression, and when you enter another backslash, you will automatically escape the regular expression. So this will definitely help you, because the reason here is the backslash, what it does do. So the reason why we are doing this is because we all know the backslash in the regular expression is used as an escape character, and in fact we have used it twice for the pipe symbol and for the forward slash. So this means this backslash gives a special meaning to the character that follows it, right? So anything that if you add, like if you like, let me show you. So if I remove one of the backslash, so it completely changes, like it matches H character, right? So that's the reason the backslash is always very careful. We have to escape it. So the backslash will allow us to specify the special characters like slash n. For example, if you have a new line, you can use a slash. If you have a tab, you can use slash t. So, sorry, the backslash t. And that's the reason we are using the backslash. And the backslash is even used to treat special characters as little characters. For example, the dot, which usually matches any character except a new line, and but the backslash dot matches a literal period. So why we need another backslash? So when we want to match a literal backslash character in a string, we need to escape it, because the backslash itself is a escape character. Therefore, to match a literal backslash, we need to use a double backslash, and that's the reason we are using a double backslash. So in that case, I'm going to make so it's going to be like one backslash in terms of a regular expression. So that has actually fetched the value for us. So now this is a very important one. In fact, I would say this has been asked in several interviews. Like, what would you do if you have multiple lines? So how would you handle a scenario where you have multiple lines, or like where you have two lines and two or more lines. So how will you extract it, or how will you regular expression? So in this video, we're going to see this one. So this again is a kind of a main interview question, like a 100% in any interviews you'll get this question for sure. So let's see how to do it. So firstly, let's start with the first left boundary, and then I'm going to add another way of regular expression. So that is going to be, let me add a bracket first. So it's going to be inside this bracket, the open bracket and the closed bracket. And then I'm adding two square brackets because they define a character class, right? So the square bracket define a character class. If you see, it defines a character set. So it matches any character in the set. And let me add the left boundary so that I don't miss anything. Sorry, it's H3. Yeah. So I have added the right boundary and the left boundary, and then inside that I'm going to match the character set, and then I'm going to add a forward slash small s. So what does it mean? So it matches any white space characters. It can be spaces, it can be tabs, it can be line breaks. So that's very important. It will match any line breaks. And then I'm going to add another forward slash and then a capital uppercase space. So this will match any character that is not a white space character. So previously, so we are like trying to fit the logic. So if there is any white space character, if it is a new line, we are going to line breaks, we are going to match it. And if there is no spaces, I mean, like no, not a white space character, it can be, it should not be a spaces, it should not be a tabs, it should not be line breaks. We are matching that as well. And then coming out of the character set, let's add a star symbol. So what does this star? So this matches all the characters. So that's the star symbol, and then the lazy part, which is the question mark, right? And then what else we have? So yeah, sorry, I just missed this part. So we need to add the two backslashes. Yep. So now we have got everything, that is all the lines. Even if I add, let's try that part. So even if we add one more line, let's see whether it works. Yep, so that will work. So you can add multiple line, like any number of lines, two, three, four, or what number of lines you can add it. So the only thing is, what did you replace? So instead of dot, instead of the period, you are adding a bracket, a character set, and inside the character set, you are going to add a backslash small s to escape or to match any white space character, and then a backslash and a uppercase s to match any not white space characters. So this will definitely help you to uh, correlate any number of lines by using the right boundary and the right left boundary. So with that, I come to an end, and I believe this video would be very useful to you. So please do join my channel. That will help me to it will help me, it will motivate me to create quality contents like this. And please do join our WhatsApp channel, ask your questions. I'll try to help you as soon as possible, and we have like lots of other well qualified, well like trained performance engineers who are in the industry, and I mean, like in tech, they are helping everybody else. So please do join the WhatsApp channel, and please do join my channel as a member, and please do support me. And yep, with that I come to an end, and I definitely believe this video will be very useful to you. So until I meet you in the next video, it's bye from Vasant Shanmugam and your favorite little Sly YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care.